Good afternoon, everybody. Thank you to all of our partners who are here joining us. Thank you to Representative Grace Diaz, my partner in government, Commissioner of Public Safety, Stephen Pari, Chief of Police, Hugh Clements, First Assistant U.S. Attorney, Stephen Danbrook, District Manager of Walgreens, Jose Garcia. Always appreciate Walgreens partnering with the city. Elizabeth Farrar, Associate Administrator and Prevention Coordinator at the Rhode Island Department of Behavioral Health Care. So thank you for your partnership, Elizabeth. And of course, Peter Asen, who got us started, and James Day, Mayor's Substance Abuse Prevention Council, as well as Branford Davis, also of the Substance Abuse Prevention Council. So thank you, everyone, for joining us this afternoon. I'm very pleased to be here to announce that the City of Providence is joining hands and partnering once again to host the Prescription Drug Take-Back Day this coming Saturday, October 22nd from 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. at two sites in our city. The Walgreens Pharmacy right here at 533 Elmwood Avenue, and also at the Providence Public Safety Complex at 325 Washington Street. So this is a call out to the entire Providence and Rhode Island community to please bring us your prescription drugs so that we can dispose of them properly, so that they don't get into the hands of people who shouldn't have them, and we can also prevent many serious public health challenges in our community. So we appreciate the Drug Enforcement Administration for their longtime partnership on this effort. So thank you once again, Kevin. I also want to especially thank Walgreens, who's been a great partner to the city on this and on many other efforts. So thank you, Jose. The Providence Police Department is such a leader on community relations, and the Chief of Police and the Commissioner of Public Safety are at all of these important community events. So I want to thank them for their tremendous leadership and for their partnership with so many community groups. And we also appreciate the support from our sponsors, from the state level, as I mentioned, from Buddha, and also for joining us. So thank you, Elizabeth. As many of you know, my focus throughout my time as mayor has been on creating stronger and more vibrant neighborhoods throughout our entire city. And stronger and more vibrant has many different aspects to it, but safer and healthier are at the heart of it. These efforts, including actions to take back and remove hazards that could harm our families and prevent them from living an active, healthy, and fulfilling lifestyle, are a priority of mine. That's why I'm proud to be here, and I'm proud that with the help of many partners, this weekend we are holding Prescription Drug Take-Back Day, which is free and open to the public. As mayor, I am proud of our capital city, and I'm proud that we are joining a vast coalition of communities throughout the state and throughout the region that are holding these take-backs at the exact same time in the observance of National Prescription Take-Back Day. And in recent years, we've been hearing a lot about the opioid epidemic that's inflicting our state and our country. And while there's been a huge spike in heroin use in recent years, most of those who do use heroin have actually started by using prescription opioids. So this really puts into perspective just how important it is to take action to rid all of our homes of these potential hazards. And even more, safely disposing of these prescription medications has numerous benefits for your family and for our community, which is why I want to take this opportunity to ask our residents of Providence to please not hold on to your antibiotic or painkillers for future years. In fact, you should never be saving them, quote unquote, for a rainy day, because you need to be under a doctor's prescription and supervision if you're going to be using these drugs. I'm not just talking about people with a history of addiction or family history. This is really the case for anyone. More than 70% of the people who have misused a pharmaceutical drug report having gotten it from a family member or a friend. So 70% of people who misuse get it from a family member or a friend. And many of those times, that family member or a friend doesn't even know that they're providing someone else with these drugs. Sometimes they just leave them in the medicine cabinet. And ultimately, properly disposing of your unused medications from throughout your home will reduce the risk of accidental poisonings. to ensure that your medication does not enter the water supply and protect your family and friends from abusing prescription painkillers. As we know, addiction is a disease, and the deaths we are seeing in Providence and across our state are a symptom of that disease. If you know of anyone that is dealing with addiction and don't know where to turn, I urge you to call 211, the 24-hour-a-day service from the United Way. So if anyone you know is suffering from prescription drug or illegal drug abuse, please call 211. If any of you are unable to visit the take-back sites during our take-back day, please be aware that you can still drop off unused or unexpired prescription drugs anytime at the permanent bin located at the Providence Public Safety Complex at 325 Washington Streets, and no questions asked. As well, you can also drop them off at the new permanent bin, which is located right here at this Walgreens here on Elmwood Avenue, which will be available during normal business hours. Once again, thank you to all of our partners who are here today for placing such an emphasis on this important initiative and helping to keep our neighborhood and our city safe, stronger, healthier, and more vibrant. Thank you.